In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT with Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll have AI assistants right inside your document to help you draft, summarize, translate, and refine text without leaving Word. Start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. This works best with the Microsoft 365 version on Windows or Mac. If you're using a work or school account, make sure you're signed in and that your organization allows add-ins. A quick update to Word can help if anything looks different from what you see here. Next, head to the Insert tab along the top ribbon and click Get Add-ins or Office Add-ins. This opens Microsoft's add-in store. If you don't see the button, check your ribbon customization settings or update Office and try again. In the store's search bar, type GPT for Excel Word. You're looking for the add-in that integrates GPT features into both Excel and Word so you can use the same tool across documents and spreadsheets. Spelling matters here, so make sure the name matches exactly to find the correct listing quickly. When you see the listing, select the app developed by Talarian. Confirm the developer name to ensure you're installing the right one. Click to add or install the add-in, then accept the permissions prompt. If you're on a managed device, you might need administrator approval. Just follow your organization's process if that pops up. After installation, return to Word. You'll find a new icon on the Home tab. Click it to open the sidebar. If you don't see the icon immediately, save your work, restart Word, or open a fresh document and check again. The sidebar is where you'll access all the AI tools. While some features are free, full functionality may require an OpenAI API key. If prompted, follow the add-ins guidance, keep any credentials secure, and never paste them into shared documents or screens. Also be mindful that usage may involve costs and that organizations sometimes restrict external AI services. With the sidebar open, you can now generate content, summarize existing passages, edit for clarity or tone, and translate directly in your document. Place your cursor where you want new text to appear or highlight a section you want to improve. Use clear prompts, specify tone or length if needed, and review the preview before inserting. To summarize, select the paragraph or section and choose a concise summary. To rewrite, pick a style like more formal or more friendly. To translate, select the language and confirm the output. Everything inserts at your cursor or replaces your selection, and you can always undo if you want to try again. And that's it. You've integrated ChatGPT into Word and can now work smarter, faster, and more creatively right where you write.